Hey everyone, Super Bissell 64 here. I'm a bit under the weather, so I got a nice hot cup of coffee. Mr. Cool's Vacuums and More requested a comparison video on the Bissell Powerforce bagless and the Hoover runabout. This could double as a bagless versus bagged video, and it could triple as a direct air versus clean air video, but we're just going to stick with the comparison. There's machines that I want to use for direct versus clean and bagged versus bagless. Enough said, we'll take a closer look and we'll see what the similarities are between these two classic vacuums. So we'll start at the base of the vacuums. 12 amps, 7 amps. They both have headlights. Each one, these all click into place. Whereas the height adjustment on the runabout, each and every one of these dots is a separate setting. So you can finely tune the height adjustment. Whereas this, you just gotta settle for what works best. And this, there's so many options. You can get it perfect for the carpet height. Moving up a little bit, this has a outer post motor filter, whereas the only filtration on these is the inner and outer bag. So sometimes these bags filter good, sometimes they don't, and it also depends on whether you have a paper bag or a cloth bag. Tools, you plug the hose into the base of the vacuum, and for the powerforce, the hose is attached to the vacuum at all times and is attached to the base right there. Take a look at the logos, Bissell Powerforce Bagless and Hoover Runabout. The Bissell Powerforce Bagless is a clean air machine, which means all the dirt goes straight to the dust cup and whatever gets stuck in the filter. Nothing goes through the fan. This is a direct air, so all the dirt goes through the fan and launched up into the bag. Because this is a direct air, suction is low, airflow is high. On this clean air Bissell Powerforce bagless, suction is high, airflow is low. But they both do an exceptional job. Two solid classic machines that are built very sturdy. Now that we've seen, what's alike with them and what's different, we can give them a run. Okay, let's start with the runabout. Then I'll move it out of the way to use the powerforce. As you know, obviously, these Hoover Elites are loud. Here we go. Does a really good job. I love using this. Every time I get it out, I just love it. Hoover Elites are wonderful. Now we will run the powerforce, which is a lot quieter. Here we go. also love this power force. It takes some effort to push, but it's not like a difficult amount of effort. It feels sturdy. It's a good build. It's a reliable machine. Both of them are. Before I go, I noticed that one of the wheels was squeaking. Which one it is, I don't know. Okay, so one of these, let's see. This one, I think. I'll just do them both. Okay. Wipey, wipey. All right. Let's see. Oh yeah, fixed it. Just one little shot of a WD-40 and your problems are solved. Thanks for watching.